See how this compare? I know this is not a shuffle, but you can compare the size. Stop investing. Right now, I don't care if you invest $100 or $10,000 per month. You're being scammed by a math equation that designs to keep you in the rat race until you're 80. You have been told that compounding is the ticket out of the rat race. It is not. It is a trap. Unless you change your mindset from an investor mindset to a builder mindset, you'll never be free. I'm going to show you the math that proves that your investment portfolio is a lie, and the one engine that can replace your salary in months, not decades. If you're new here, my name is Eric. This channel is about money, freedom, and breaking out of the corporate thinking with real math and real-world experience. If that's your go-to, hit subscribe, because this channel is not about getting rich slowly. Let's look at your dream. You need at least $50,000 per year to quit your job. That means you need to have a portfolio of $1 million at least. If you have $10,000 today and you're a genius, better than Warren Buffett, have a return of 20% every single year. It still takes 25 years to hit your $1 million goal. You will be 2 decades older, your back hurts, your kids grow older, and that's not freedom. It is a prison sentence with a 6% dividend before tax. What you are trying to do is to out-invest with a very tiny shuffle. But the fact is that what you need is not a different pick, but a bigger shuffle. See how this compare? I know this is not a shuffle, but you can compare the size. You may say that you are an aggressive investor. You can turn that $10,000 into $1 million in 8 years. That means you need 80% return every year without a single mistake. Warren Buffett in comparison did 18%. So how likely it is? That's not investing. That's going to a casino and putting your entire life saving into Red 32. One bad move, you're not just done, you're wiped out. You're gambling your whole life away because you're so afraid of building something that you can actually control. Comment below if no one has shown you this math before. So why is a business different? Well, if you invest, your upside is capped by the market. But when you build, your upside is exponential. Think about that. A digital product or a video, you have a fixed cost. However, the cost remains the same no matter you sell to one person or you sell to 1 million people. Invest your $10,000 with an 8% return, which is pretty decent. You can get $800 of profit every year. Well, big deal, right? But if you invest the same amount of energy into a $50 product, you can make $50,000 by just having 1,000 customers. This is compounding turbocharged. You're not waiting for the CEO to get you rich. You are the CEO. You control the pricing, you control the product, you control the profit. People say that business is risky. Wrong. Investing, go to zero, you have nothing. Business goes to zero, you still have the skills. You still know marketing, you still know IT, you still know finance. You don't need to win every single year for 20 years like an investor does. As a business owner, you only need to get it right once. One asymmetric win in business can pay you more than 40 years of S&P 500 dividends combined. Unlike investment, which is about luck, business is a sure win game. Every single time you fail, you learn something until you get it right. And you only need to get it right once. Stop being a spectator in others' company. Start building your own. Because investing is for people who already have money. Business is the way to go for if you want freedom. If you want to learn how to build leverage step by step, subscribe and watch my other videos. This is where your builder mindset starts.